Hari Om, Shri Ram, Ambadnya. A very, very warm welcome to all the gorgeously gorgeous super moms and devoted super dads watching me at this point of time. Arula for Autism has taken a move, I will say the further step. After establishing a very successful implementation and the online championship program for the parents, for the families, catering them, empowering them, training them practically with the activities, techniques, concepts, doubt solving sessions, and so many things. After doing this for 3 years, as I say, we have taken up a further move. That is, we are coming up with Arula's, the School Prep Center. Now here one thing we have to understand, why are we focusing on School Prep Center and what is the need? Why Mayuri Ramdasi is starting? She felt that need of starting School Prep Center for children with autism. I'm really proud to say that out of enrolled parents who have done their journey, who are still doing their journey, or who have completed their journey with Arula for 1 year, no child is there in the special school treatment or special school setup, I will say. They all are mainstreamed and they are really coping very well with the academics also. There are, yes, challenges are there. So Arula always helps them with respect to their challenges or some difficulties which come around. Okay. So now the question is, what is the need of this school prep center to get started? Here we understand two situations, two opposite poles, two situations on two extremely opposite poles. One situation is there, my child is maybe 3 years, 5 years, 10 years or 15 years. He is diagnosed on spectrum, he is on autism spectrum and he is just not getting adjusted into the school pattern. ये हम सबकी कथा है. It was the case of देवहूति also. Okay? कि जो बच्चा हमारा रहता है वो स्कूल एनवायरनमेंट में एडजस्ट नहीं होता है. मतलब क्या है एडजस्ट, यानी ज़बरदस्ती से भेज कर उसको बिठाना या विद द शैडो टीचर विद सम रिसोर्सेस उसको सेटल करवाने में पूरी एनर्जी वेस्ट करना या यूटिलाइज करना, दैट आई कॉल इट एज एडजस्टमेंट ओनली. आप लोग कहोगे कि मेरा बच्चा मेन स्ट्रीम स्कूल जाता है, उस शैडो टीचर के साथ बैठता है एंड ऑल, और वो थोड़ा बहुत एडजस्ट होता है स्कूल में, ये कर रहा है, पीपल आर कोपिंग अप, चिल्ड्रन आर कोपिंग अप एंड ऑल. आई स्टिल कॉल इट एज एडजस्टमेंट, क्योंकि वहाँ ना एक प्रेशर होता है, नॉट ओनली विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू द चाइल्ड्स कंडीशन बट द रिस्पॉन्स दैट चाइल्ड इज गेटिंग फ्रॉम द एनवायरनमेंट, द स्कूल एनवायरनमेंट, द टीचर्स, the other peers, other children in the class, the frequently changing environment, activities and the situations, social situations that the child is exposed to. कभी क्लास में कुछ चीज़ें होती है, कभी कुछ ओपन ग्राउंड में होती है, कभी कुछ एक्टिविटीज़ होती है जैसे स्विमिंग है, स्पोर्ट्स है. My child finds it difficult to get adjusted with this surrounding. Okay, so this is one case where most of the autistic children in their beginning they feel difficult, they face the difficulties in getting adjusted. जहाँ पर जो बच्चे बड़े हैं, जैसे 4 साल हो गया है, 5 years that they are coping up in the mainstream school, they also are adjusting. First of all, let me tell you one thing very clearly, they are also adjusting, they are coping up, their compensatory mechanisms are at stake. That something to be proved, something to be focused, something to be shown, performance. That pressure is there not only on the child but at the same time on the parents also. So this is one situation. And then another extreme pole is child is well adjusted in the school. And not only adjustments, he is an active student in the school. What do I mean by active student? Just giving a place to the child in some corner of the classroom and making him sit for 6 hours, 8 hours, 5 hours, 4 hours, that you don't call it as, that I don't call it as active student. Active student means the alertness towards the surrounding. Okay? The child is maybe 6 years old and he is made to sit in inclusion, in the inclusive school setup. There, my child is sitting for 5 hours, 6 hours. He's coming home, he's going, sitting, coming home. I'm struggling with the academics, I'm doing the things right for him. That is not, I will call it as active student. Active student is from start to end. Whatever time that child is spending in the school, he is oriented, conscious and focused about the surrounding around him. And when I say surrounding, it is auditory surrounding. See, very frankly, I will say कि you take your child, most of you are taking your children to the therapy centers. Okay? What do you give them over there? A closed room, clinical room. Then lot of visuals, use of flashcards, tabletop activities, very one-to-one focused, that attention that the child gets. And then school is demanding that you do the therapies, then only we'll take the child in the school. Okay, if you are doing that. Some other criteria, different schools, different criteria. Ultimately, try to understand it is not always the people around you. Now, those are running the schools, inclusive schools, mainstream schools. They are not there that they lack in empathy or they don't understand the problem. Please stop doing that. I mean, stop name calling them or stop blaming them. Just come out of this zone. See, at one point, every mother goes through that, and even I had gone through that. But I never blamed the system. System is there, and system is good. That's not very bad or very worse. They are there. Okay, good, bad, that is not my concern. But system is there. Education system is there. There are certain criteria. So, abhi, as I said, I just distracted from the topic that your children are getting that very close connection in the therapy sessions. And then we are expecting they should perform well in that noisy environment around them. 30 children, 40 children, 60 children in one class. And now the child is made sit. We want him to adjust. कैसे होगा ये? मतलब थेरेपीज अगर उसे उस बच्चे की इतनी विजुअल सीकिंग बेस्ड है, जो इतना विजुअल सीकिंग एनवायरनमेंट उसे नहीं मिलता है नॉर्मल स्कूल्स. इट्स ऑलवेज ऑडियो विजुअल. And in a normal setup, in a regular setup schools, that auditory seeking or auditory environment is more dominant because teacher keeps on talking. People, children around him, they keep on talking. So that awareness the child should have in the beginning. Matlab there are two poles, one is not adjusting, one is well adjusted. And not only thriving, shining in the school. यहाँ बीच में कुछ करना ज़रूरी है जो मैंने जाना. I thought that something has to be done in this middle. Because whenever I conduct podcast, whenever somebody conduct podcast with me and they ask about special school or educational inclusion about the autistic children, when I say autistic, it's pure autism spectrum disorder. Okay? That time, when I say there is no need of special school, then hell lot of criticism I receive, and I am not blaming them or I am not kind of angry on them or anything, because these are the mothers, these are the educators, these are the people who have gone through a lot of difficult time getting their children adjusted in the mainstream school. I understand that, I really understand. But where we lacked, the important thing, the right recipe for our children. मतलब सालों साल विजुअल सीकिंग बेस्ड अप्रोच पे हम लोग वर्क करते हैं, एंड देन आई एक्सपेक्ट सडनली कि मेरा बच्चा स्कूल जाए और वहाँ के ऑडिटरी एनवायरनमेंट पे एडजस्ट हो जाए. कैसे होगा ये? हाउ विल दैट हैपन? एब्सोल्युटली नॉट पॉसिबल. एंड देन द स्ट्रगल कम्स. एट वन पॉइंट वी फील दैट कुछ दिन तक, कुछ सालों तक बच्चा अपने से जा रहा है, बट देन इट बिकम्स डिफिकल्ट. And then as the children grow, 3, 4, 5 साल तक तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं आती है, but when the children are older, around 7 years, 8 years, 10 years, 12 years, वहाँ पर the children around him, they are neurotypical and they see that difference in this child. This child is different. You are getting my point? And then the very important thing, important trouble starts in the school, that is bullying. Children get bullied. Yes, Devahuti also got bullied. Every mother goes through that phase. कि हमारा बच्चा capable, मतलब हमारा बच्चा is not verbal, he is not very well able to express himself verbally, he is not talking. That's why children around him or around her start bullying. And that is not a mistake of those children. Here, I will not go on asking people or shut the mouths of people, why are you bullying? And fighting with the system, fighting with the school and putting my, thing again. My child is getting bullied. Yes, I know there is a pain within every mother, every father. But somewhere we need to understand, we have to develop certain qualities, characteristics and certain qualities, I will say, in the child, that he will start recognizing that bully and he will respond or she will respond to it in a appropriate way, or she will make it a point that she is getting it conveyed. See, I am telling you very frankly, if you keep on blaming the system, then one day this system is going to create a separate society for your child. And do you wish that? बच्चों को हम लोग स्पेशल स्कूल डालते हैं. We are the one who are creating society, separate society, different society for the child. And then once they get older, they are adult, then that time we don't want separate society. Then we want my child should be exposed to the world, child should enjoy the world, he should have friends, he should have a community. A community means he should have people around him and all. लेकिन उसके लिए काम करना हमें ही शुरू करना है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वन थिंग यू विल स्टार्ट डूइंग फ्रॉम टुडे, स्टॉप ब्लेमिंग द एजुकेशन सिस्टम. डोंट डू दैट. डोंट वेस्ट योर एनर्जी ऑन दैट. रादर take a step ahead, a move ahead. What best I can do? What is that secret recipe that will foster and nurture my child when he is in the inclusion setup? If I am intending he is in inclusive setup, okay? What is that recipe? What is that secret sauce which I should implement? And there the Arula approach comes in the picture. The secret sauce is all about developing a natural visual seeking, natural I will say, and which is not compelled, and a very good listening skills in the child. Okay, lot of activities, lot of concepts, lot of techniques Arula has derived, and they are so easy, they are so lucid in a way to implement that the child starts getting interest into the auditory surrounding around him. He becomes alert and alert day by day, and we start getting good results, adjustments. Now here in this video I am not going to explain what kind of activities or concept, because it's not a one-day match. I always say it's kind of a test series that we need to play. But one simple tip I am giving it to you all in this video. There is something called as one concept in Arula called as creating school corner at home. Okay, that we should start doing it right from today. We have a home. Doesn't matter whether my home is very small or maybe very big, that doesn't matter. But one corner in the home, at your home, you have to create as a school corner. And what do you require? What material that you require? Simple thing, a blackboard, a chalk, and one nice desk or bench, I will say. Bench मतलब वो normal chairs we get, no, as a flap chair or something. Simply like that. And when the child is, if your child is going to the regular school or whether he is going to any other setup or only going to therapy, is not going to school, start implementing this. The simple picture to object narrations making the child aware that he is sitting on the bench. And as I say, it's a very beautiful transition that occurs once that school corner concept is very well explained. Now, in my coming video, we'll be demonstrating that school corner concept to you. I have just introduced it today because otherwise it will be a very lengthy video, and nowadays people have no time to watch very lengthy videos. But I still feel in my next video, I'm going to demonstrate what should be the position of the child, how the illumination in the room should be there. And we are not worried about silent environment. There has to be some noise around the child. And third thing, last thing, the teacher, that is the mother is playing the role of a teacher, and we are going to prepare our children with respect to the listening skills, little things. So we'll be demonstrating that. I will give a small demonstration of what exactly a school corner is. At the same time, I will say Arula's school prep center is about to begin. You may be located anywhere. The duration of the school prep center is as less as 3 months and as lengthy as for 1 year. Okay, depending on the severity of the child, depending on the child's age, at the same time the other family circumstances and environment. So it will be decided, a lot of factors will decide how much duration your child has to spend in Arula school prep center to get well adjusted, not only adjusted, you can say performing child in the school, in the mainstream school. Okay, stay tuned for the next video. Thanks a lot. Hari Om, Shri Ram, Ambadnya, Natha Samvid.